If you've ever opened a Photopea file and found that it's saved as an empty 0-byte file, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to explain why that happens, how to prevent it next time, and what to do so you don't lose your work again. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tips and fixes. Let's start with why this issue happens in the first place. The most common reason is closing Photopea too early. When you save a project, Photopea may still show the word saving at the top for a few seconds. If you close the browser tab, refresh too soon, or exit before that message disappears, the file may not finish writing properly. That can leave you with a blank or 0-byte file. Another reason is simply file size. Large projects take longer to save, especially if you have lots of layers, smart objects, images, or high-resolution assets. Depending on your computer speed, browser performance, and drive speed, Photopea may need several extra seconds to complete the save process. If you interrupt that process, the file can end up incomplete. Browser extensions can also cause problems. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and certain security extensions may interfere with how the browser handles downloads or local file writing. In some cases, they block the save process without giving a clear warning, which makes the file appear to save when it actually didn't. Now let's go over how to prevent this next time. The first and most important rule is to wait until saving is fully finished. Never close Photopea, never close the browser tab, and never shut down your computer while the saving notification is still visible. Wait until it disappears completely, and only then move on. That simple habit can save you from a lot of frustration. If the issue keeps happening, try disabling unnecessary extensions in your browser. Start with ad blockers, privacy add-ons, and any extensions that affect page behavior or downloads. Then reopen Photopea and test again. If the problem goes away, you'll know one of those extensions was interfering. Another safer option is to use an alternative saving method. Instead of overwriting the same file, go to File, then choose Save More, or use Save as PSD to create a fresh copy. This can help if your current file is acting weird or if you want a safer version saved separately. Creating a new copy gives you a backup and reduces the risk of ending up with an empty file. If you're working on an important project, it's also a good idea to save in stages. Make a habit of duplicating major versions before making big edits, especially before merging layers or exporting a final file. That way, if something goes wrong, you still have a recoverable version to fall back on. So the key takeaways are simple. Don't close Photopea too early, give large files enough time to finish saving, and check your browser extensions if the problem keeps repeating. And when in doubt, use Save as PSD or Save More to create a fresh copy instead of overwriting the same file. If this video helped you fix the Photopea empty file 0-bytes issue, please like the video and subscribe for more practical tutorials, fixes, and creator tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.